Of course, WordPress can be a bit overwhelming, especially in the admin dashboard. As you become more familiar with WordPress and the complication wears off, I encourage you to venture further into more advanced settings. So let's get started. If you have not already logged into your WordPress dashboard, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, let's start by cleaning up the dashboard modules to just the things that matter. This will make owning and running your website much easier. Click the Screen Options tab in the upper right of the screen. As you can see, most of these boxes or modules are currently active. Here's the ones you will want to deactivate: At a Glance, Activity, Visitors Activity, Currently Online, Top Web Pages, Top Known Visitors, Top Countries, Users Currently Online, Audience Overview, Top Browsers, Top Screen Resolutions, Top Users, Top Referring Search Engines, Top Categories, Top Authors, Top Outbound Links, Top Exit Pages, Quick Draft, and WordPress News. As you can see, the modules that remain give you a nice overview of website activity and traffic without being overloading. You can organize these boxes on your home screen by clicking the top of the box and dragging to anywhere there is a dashed box. Next, let's get rid of any plugins we don't need. To do this, click the Plugins link in the left-hand navigation to show all plugins installed. We are going to start by clicking the Deactivate link underneath the All-in-One WP Migration plugin. We needed it for the migration only, now it's just taking up space. Once it is deactivated, click the boxes beside Akismet, All-in-One, and Hello Dolly. At the top of the plugins area, click the Bulk Actions drop-down, select Delete, and then click the Apply button. You'll need to confirm that you want to delete these files, so go ahead and click Yes, delete these files and data. As you can see, this has removed the 3 plugins that we selected. Next, let's work on the settings area of the website. So go ahead and click the Settings link. You will arrive at the General Settings area. The first steps are to change the site title and the tagline. For the website title, go ahead and enter the name of your company or organization. For the tagline, you'll want to provide a single sentence that explains what your company does. It is important to try to include any keywords that might be relevant to your company for search optimization purposes. In the case of this project, the client is a general contractor in the Bay Area of California. He does home remodels, additions, and renovations. So let's start with that. So our keywords here are Bay Area, which defines the location, general contractor, which is a hot search term, home remodels, additions, and renovations, which is what the client services are. Once you've completed the tagline, let's move down to the email address field, which is the admin email address. Go ahead and enter the email address you use for your business. For now, let's leave membership and new user default role the way it is, and then change your time zone to match your current time zone. If you use a different date and time format, go ahead and change that as well. WordPress also offers support for multiple languages, so if you need to make a change, do so at this time. Once you are done, click the Save Changes button, and you will notice that your settings have been changed. Next, we are going to reduce the amount of spam you might receive on your website. So click the Discussions link and the navigation. Make the following changes on the Discussions page. Uncheck Allow people to post comments on new articles, and then check the options User must be registered and logged in to comment, and automatically close comments on articles older than 14 days. Since we didn't select the option to let people register for your website in the last steps, this should keep the spam down. Now scroll down to the bottom of the section and click Save Changes. The last area we'll be making some changes is in the permalink settings. Go ahead and click Permalinks in the navigation. Permalinks play a big role in search engine optimization. From my research and tests, the post name option is the best for both usability and search results. So go ahead and choose that option, then save your changes. This is it for the general settings portion. Your website is now a little bit more secure, organized, and optimized for search engines.